Hey guys, today I have the April Glamour Jewelry box. I do see that they changed up the box a little bit. It usually is more like a pinky kind of shade to the box. So this month's kind of more of a purpley shade. I don't know if that has anything to do with just packaging or what the products are inside. They do send me this for review purposes. A Glamour Jewelry box is a $29.95 a month jewelry subscription. I will leave them down below, and they do give me a coupon code. I don't make any compensation for it. It's for your benefit only if you want to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys and try on the jewelry. So I really like the fact that they've been putting what the pieces are on here with the prices and also the total amount of how much is in the box. As always, the jewelry comes in this little velvet bag. Some people like that, some people don't. Some people don't like it because you can't see what's inside of it, and then other people like it because it kind of really keeps it, you know, from tarnishing or anything like that, because this is fancy jewelry. So first thing in here, it says it's a silver necklace. This is a retail price of $25. It says this necklace pairs perfectly with a deep V-neck camisole or casual t-shirt. So let me see if I can pull that out first. Okay, and it's in tissue paper. So it's literally just a, oh, this is really simple. It just has the little rhinestone in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. It reminds me a lot of a set that I had from Pandora that my dad got me. And it has the same concept where it's just super simple and it has a little stone in the middle. So that's what it looks like. I have it on one of the tightest settings. I should probably loosen it a little bit. Okay, so there it is, a little bit more loose on my neck. I do really like this. I love pieces that are really simple. And next thing in here is the classic silver earrings. This is worth $23. It says these gorgeous earrings are bound to get compliments. We love this pair for work, the weekend, and everywhere in between. So likewise, this is in tissue paper, and oh, they're just they have like little rhinestone on them. Hopefully it will focus so you guys can see that. And they do have a back to it. So let me see how you're supposed to open these. Oh, okay. So the back is actually on there, so you're never gonna lose it because it's actually attached to there. I was like, what the hell is happening? But it's actually on there, so you can just pull it back, and the hoop actually has the back attached to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and be right back. Okay, so this is what they look like. They have the little rhinestone all the way around. I do really like that, and they're not like huge, they're just like a really nice size. So this I can actually wear for work because we're not allowed to use anything bigger than a quarter. So this is just the right size, because if it was bigger I wouldn't be able to use it. So I really like the rhinestones on there. It really pairs nicely with the necklace. What do you guys think of this? And I like the fact that it has the back attached to it, so you don't have to worry about losing the back or anything like that. Next thing in here, it says a silver cuff bracelet. This is a retail price for $31. It's a modern classic cuff, subtle and minimal, and the total value of this month's box is $79. So this is what the cuff looks like. Likewise, it has rhinestones all around it. I like how small it is, just because a lot of cuffs are huge and this one is a little bit more dainty. It's still big on me, so I think it would be flexible, and this would expand depending on your wrist. So if you know, if you have a bigger wrist, then you'll have more distance in between them, and sadly, if you have a smaller wrist like mine, yours will probably be just a tiny bit big. So this is really cute, just simple. I'm not really that much into bracelets. I'm more into rings, necklaces, and earrings. But I do love a good bracelet that ties or is nice and fitted. So I do like the fact that this one is more fitted than the ones previous to. So that is it for this month's box. Let me know if you guys are excited, if you are subscribed to the subscription, what your thoughts are. Do you like it? I absolutely love this combination right here. I am all about simple and things that you can use with everything, and these are definitely things that will go with anything that you wear basically. So I'd love to hear your opinion down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.